Hi, I'm Regila and I'm an artist and hobbycraft artisan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an amazing art piece for your home from resin. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft's channel and press the bell icon below to be notified of any future videos. When using resin, always cover your working surface. Wear a mask with respirator and gloves to protect your hands. Step 1. Pour 20 ml of resin into measuring cup and 10 ml of hardener into another measuring cup. Pour both into paper cup and mix it 4 to 5 minutes. Split the clear resin into 2 cups. Pour pink color rocks into one of them and mix. Repeat this step with light pink rocks. Place the pink rocks forming the design and follow them up with the light pink rocks. Mix 20 ml of resin and 10 ml of hardener into the paper cup. Mix it 4 to 5 minutes. Pour 1/3 of the resin into the new cup, add rose gold and purple glitter into it and mix it. Take glitter mixture, use the craft stick to distribute the mixture alongside the light pink rocks. Take the rest of the resin mixture, add crushed crystals to it, mix it and use craft stick to distribute it alongside the glitter. Then pour the rest of the resin and hardener into 1 cup and mix it 4 to 5 minutes. Share this mixture into 5 cups, leave 1 clear, add purple to other, then gold, white and carmine. Then pour these colors onto the wooden panel one by one. Use craft stick to distribute it and fill in every corner. Use heat gun to form the pattern. alcohol ink on the panel and continue using heat gun to form the pattern. Wait 24 hours for resin to harden and then paint the frame. Thanks for joining me today for this video. For more inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please leave the thumbs up and a comment below. We would love to hear from you. See you soon for more videos.